In this video, I'll be showing you how to stream to Kick with OBS. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. All you want to do is go ahead to the top right where it has your profile icon, then go to your settings. You're going to see a lot of things here, a lot of tabs as well, but you want to go to stream URL and stream key. Now it's a very simple thing. All you got to do now is go over to OBS. So I have mine right here. I'm also recording using OBS. All I want to do now is go to settings. Once I'm in settings, I want to go head on over to stream. And now what I can do is go over and have it on custom. And then all I want to do is for my server, put it to my stream URL. Make sure you don't share your stream URL and stream key to anyone, by the way, but you want to put this over into the server, and then the stream key, all you want to do is go ahead and copy your stream key right here and then put this into here. And then all you want to do after that is go ahead and press apply, then OK. And then once you're happy with how your stream looks and everything, all you got to do is press start streaming, and then you'll be good to go. But again, please, please, please do not share your stream key or your stream URL with absolutely anyone. If they have your hands on that, then they can literally just go ahead and stream on your account without even having access to your Kick login details. So make sure you don't share this to anyone because it is blurred for a reason, and then that's it, you'll be good to go.